students, welcome to our exciting new video series focused on the Reading Part C section of the Occupational English Test. We've created this series in response to the overwhelming number of requests from our subscribers who find Reading Part C particularly challenging. We understand how tricky it can be, so we've developed this specially designed worksheet to help you master this section with confidence. Here's how it works. Each question in the worksheet is timed, giving you 2 minutes to attempt it just like in the real test. After that, we'll dive into a detailed explanation of the correct answers and break down why the other options are incorrect. This approach will help you sharpen your skills and develop the critical thinking strategies you need to ace this section. Stay tuned as we guide you through each question, step by step, turning this challenge into an opportunity to excel. Grab your notepads, get ready to learn, and let's conquer Reading Part C together. Let's begin by understanding the question. This type of question relies on how well you understand the sentence being asked. So in the first paragraph, the writer questions whether means the writer is unsure about something or is expressing doubt. It shows that the writer might be challenging a common belief, raising a new idea, or looking at the topic from a different angle. In recent years, the USA has seen a 40% rise in diagnosis of ADHD in children. It could be that the disorder is becoming more prevalent, or as seems more plausible, doctors are making the diagnosis more frequently. The issue is complicated by the lack of any recognized neurological markers for ADHD. The implied meaning is that the rise in ADHD diagnosis may not necessarily mean more children are actually developing the disorder. Instead, it suggests that doctors might be identifying and labeling ADHD more frequently due to changes in awareness, diagnostic criteria, or societal factors. The lack of a definitive test, like a neurological marker, adds complexity to diagnosing ADHD, leaving room for subjective interpretation based on behavioral observations. Dr. Soul is objecting to the way ADHD is diagnosed and treated. He argues that the criteria for diagnosing this disease are too broad and subjective, meaning almost anyone could potentially be labelled as having the disorder. He is concerned that this might lead to widespread misdiagnosis and an overuse of stimulant medications. While he acknowledges that some people may genuinely need these treatments, he questions whether many diagnoses are accurate or necessary. As per the question, why does the writer consider the study of children in foster care as significant? Now, if you read the highlighted section, this finding certainly reveals the need for medical and behavioural services for these children, but it could also prove the non-specific nature of the symptoms of ADHD, anxiety, and depression, or an altered state can easily be mistaken for manifestations of ADHD. This section indicates that the symptoms of AD are specific and can be easily mistaken for other mental conditions like anxiety and depression or an altered state. The question is, what does the word they refer to? So as you know, they is a pronoun and is talking about something plural. So now let us read the highlighted section of the paragraph. Our studies from the UK and Brazil, published in JAMA Psychiatry, are fueling questions about the origins and trajectory of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, suggesting not only that it can begin in adulthood, but that there may be two distinct syndromes: adult onset attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and childhood attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. They echo earlier research from New Zealand, so it is clear that they mean studies. Thank you for working through these questions with us. We'll be uploading the rest of the questions from this text in our next video, so make sure to stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and share if you'd like to see more videos like this. And remember, practicing reading Part C is a key step to mastering the reading SAR test. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.